This is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. I hope you like my intro video. I finally have an intro video thanks to Car WW. So let me know what you think about it. Today's package has quite a funny story about it. I really love my Bullstrap. It has changed the way I wear my clock and watch and how I like it completely. So I was thinking of buying another one because I really like this dark with, I'm gonna show you a bit closer. I really like the dark one, but I was thinking of getting a lighter one. They have 4 different colors, and this is the second darkest. The darkest is the black one. So this is the second darkest, and then I have 2 lighter. So in the end of February, I was about to order a new strap, but I didn't know which one, the lightest or the second lightest. So I went to see Bullstrap's Instagram account to see the pics there, and then I noticed that I've actually won a strap. They have had a competition that you could win a strap for the best picture of their products. So that was just perfect for me. I don't think I've ever won anything like that before. So then I ended up ordering both straps that I was thinking about. Both the lightest one and the second to lightest one. And Bullstrap sent the package right away, but the Swedish custom had the package for 2 weeks before I got it. They are so stupid. So yeah, time for the close-up. The strap that I wear today daily, I think it's called Terra. Is like a oil-treated strap, and as you can see, it just gets more and more beautiful the more you use it. But I want it to be more, you see, if I do like this, you can see how it gets lighter in between, and where it's worn it gets lighter, and I want a strap to be more like that. But I'm gonna keep on wearing this as my beater because it's gonna get more and more beautiful with the pattern. And then we have 2 new straps. So this is the strap that looks like the way I want this to look after a while, more or less. Let me see if I got the name here. I don't, I think. So I'm gonna post that in my video. Vintage. This strap is called Vintage. So if you don't have the patience to wear in your Terra strap yourself, then you can just order this. This is really good looking, and I really like this as well. So yeah, if I used to order this one, maybe I would think that that was a bit too much because they are so similar after a while. This doesn't look like that from the start. And this also get the pattern and look. They have really great straps and plus they have really good prices. So the straps could cost like the double if these were panorized straps instead, they will cost, I'm not overdoing it by saying they will cost 10 times as much. And then we have the lightest one. I really like this one because I have a couple of shoes that will match. Let me see. Yeah, this will look great. Oh yes. So this is the lightest version they have. It's called Classic Vintage. I think this is called Terra or otherwise I don't know where I got that name from. But I think I like this one the best. But one of the points with me buying an Apple Watch is just that it's so easy to change the strap. Even easier than it is on Panerai watches. So even if I really like this strap, of course I was going to have several of them, so I can change it easy. Fits perfectly, not like my other claps or adapters, strap adapters, band adapters. So yeah, this is my unboxing of the Bullstraps. I'm really satisfied with having all the three. Black one, I don't know if I'm gonna get the black one. A friend of mine asked me, even before I did this video, when I'm gonna do the next Bullstrap order, because he wanted to order a strap. So maybe just to join him with the group order, maybe I'm gonna order the black one as well. But I really like this one. So my recommendation to you, if you're gonna have a daily beater strap, I would go with this one or this one. So yeah, thanks to Bullstrap for sending me one as a gift, and I ordered the other one. I paid for the other one myself. I'm very, very happy to win something for the first time in my life. So yeah, I hope you like my video. Please subscribe. I really need those subscribers. Hit the thumbs up, comment, ask me any questions. And oh yeah, I still got the card holder, the Terra card holder, that I haven't given to anyone yet. Yeah, thanks. I just saw in the video that it was a bit light, and it still is, because the straps are darker than this. Maybe this will give you a better idea of what it looks like. But in my post, you can see the link in the description. I will post Bullstrap's own pictures of the straps, so you will get a better idea of how they look. But I really like this strap. It actually makes the watch lighter than the rubber strap, and much more comfortable to wear, much more comfortable.